Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're on a mission to pack on some serious muscle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of high-protein diets, your secret weapon for muscle building. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our muscle building tips. Now, let's get into it. So, why is protein so crucial for muscle building? Well, proteins are the building blocks of muscles. When you're working out and breaking down muscle fibers, protein steps in to repair and rebuild them, making your muscles stronger and, yes, bigger. Now, let's talk about the 15 powerhouse foods that are not just delicious but also packed with muscle-loving protein. Number 1. Chicken breast. It's a lean source of protein, meaning it has a high protein to fat ratio. This makes it perfect for supporting muscle growth without excess calories. Number 2. Greek yogurt. It's not only creamy and delicious but also loaded with protein. Plus, it contains valuable probiotics, promoting a healthy gut, crucial for nutrient absorption. Number 3. Eggs. The versatile egg. Whether boiled, scrambled, or sunny side up, eggs are a protein powerhouse. They're also rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Number 4. Salmon. Making a splash with salmon. Fatty fish like salmon not only provide a hefty dose of protein, but also deliver omega-3 fatty acids, supporting joint health and reducing inflammation. Number 5. Lentils. Now, for our plant-based friends, lentils are a fantastic protein source. They're also high in fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, an essential part of any muscle-building journey. Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa takes a special place on our list. This whole grain not only brings in the protein, but also provides a complete set of amino acids, making it a fantastic addition to your muscle-building menu. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Say hello to cottage cheese. It's not just a bedtime snack. With its slow-digesting casein protein, cottage cheese supports muscle recovery, especially during those crucial nighttime hours. Number 8. Turkey. Gobbling up some gains with turkey. Like chicken, turkey is a lean meat that delivers a hefty punch of protein. Perfect for sandwiches, salads, or as a standalone protein source. Number 9. Milk. Got milk? You should. Milk is an excellent source of both whey and casein proteins. Plus, it's rich in calcium, promoting bone health, a critical aspect of overall strength. Number 10. Beef. It's not just about protein. Beef provides essential nutrients like iron and zinc, crucial for energy and immune function. Number 11. Almonds. Don't overlook the power of almonds. These nuts are not only a convenient snack, but also a source of plant-based protein. Packed with healthy fats, they contribute to overall muscle health. Number 12. Tofu. Time to welcome tofu to the list. This soy-based protein is a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. Its versatility makes it an excellent addition to various dishes, ensuring you get a complete protein profile. Number 13. Edamame. Edamame, or young soybeans, is another plant-based protein source. These little green pods are not only tasty but also rich in essential amino acids, promoting muscle repair and growth. Number 14. Whey protein. For a quick protein boost, consider whey protein. It's a convenient supplement that can be easily added to smoothies or shakes. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Number 15. Bison. Let's round off our list with bison meat. Leaner than traditional beef, bison is a great source of protein, iron, and zinc. It provides a flavorful alternative to beef while supporting your muscle-building goals. Remember, everyone's body is unique, so find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your favorite protein sources in the comments below. Until next time, keep lifting, keep smiling, and stay fit.